Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I'm going to show you this here. It's a little khaki vest, and it's going to have pockets all around it, I think is what it is. Came packed in a Ziploc bag. Would have been easier to just cut it open. Not sure why everything comes in Ziploc bags, because I'm not going to put it back in the bag again. And this is by Third Hill, like the sweatshirt I'm wearing now is as well. So I'm going to just cut the tag off because I don't want it to be in the picture. Okay, and so this is what the vest looks like here. You can see there. So let's open it up and try this one on. I got size large, and I'm about 190 pounds, 5'10". So, and let me show you to you up front here first. It's kind of like almost like a canvasy kind of nylon feel to it, and in the inside it's kind of it's a little softer kind of feel on it, and then it's got the hood and everything else. So that's what the whole inside looks like. So let's try this on. Trying it on over kind of a sweatshirt, and I have a shirt underneath it too, so a lot of clothes going on here. Okay, so this is how it kind of looks right now, and then if I zip it up, this is like great for travel or something like that when I just want to have a nice vest on. Oh, it's got good pockets too, so I could totally fit my phone in my pocket. It's got a good feel to it. It's a little bit tight on me, but I kind of like that. I think it's kind of slimming almost. So you can see. So now, hopefully I'm not covering the microphone. Okay, okay. So it's got like kind of the collar here, and it'll zip up pretty high. I'll keep it down now just so you can hear me. And then we have a hood right there, which does have its stringy things on it here, so you can tighten it up if you want. We have pockets up here, so if I'm using this for skiing or just out and stuff like that, this is pretty good size. I can probably put my phone in one side and my wallet in the other if I want to keep them up here. Or I have the pockets here too, so I might just put my hands in here and phone and wallet up here. And then inside, I saw it has these pockets in here too. So this one here is just a deep pocket. I could probably fit my iPad mini or something like that even in there. So those are nice. Even little sections up top for who knows what. But it's really nice. And it even has the little cincher things here. So once it's zipped up, so if it's a little bit windy or whatever, sorry, I'm trying to see this with the light shining at me. But if it's a little windy or something like that, I can cinch up these side ones too and make it really tight up on there. So it'll be tight. And you see it goes down top of my butt kind of thing here. It's good feel, good look, kind of fashionable looking. I like this. It's good. I'll be using this probably like when I travel and stuff, to bring on the airplane because it's fairly light and easy, and then I can just take it off and stick it up top if I want to, or use it, and then I can have my passport and my different things all around it. I'm going to Germany in a few weeks, so this will probably be my travel vest for going around town and everything there. So really cool. I like this, by Third Hill. So pick up one of these, and I love it. Thumbs up for sure.